Welcome to an exciting journey into the world of statistical inference, a commentary for social and behavioral sciences. In this video, we'll explore the fundamental concepts and applications of statistical inference in a way that not only demystifies this complex subject but also demonstrates its vital role in understanding human behavior and society. So, let's dive in. Imagine a world without statistics. Would we truly understand the patterns and behaviors of the society we live in? Statistical inference is the magic wand that transforms raw data into meaningful insights. It's the compass that guides us through the maze of human behavior. Our journey begins with populations and samples. In the vast sea of humanity, it's impossible to collect data from everyone. So, we selected a representative group, our sample. This sample becomes a mirror, reflecting the characteristics of the entire population. Think of it like this: if you wanted to know the average height of all people in a city, it's impractical to measure every person. Instead, you sample a group and use that sample to make inferences about the entire population. But how confident can we be in our inferences? This is where probability comes into play. Statistical inference is rooted in probability theory. It helps us understand how likely our observations are under different circumstances. Think of it as a weather forecast. Just as meteorologists use probabilities to predict rain, statisticians use probabilities to predict outcomes based on data. Now, let's talk about hypothesis testing, the Sherlock Holmes of statistics. It helps us make informed decisions by evaluating evidence. Here's how it works: we start with a null hypothesis, an assumption that there's no real effect or difference. Then, we collect data and analyze it to see if the evidence supports this null hypothesis or if we should reject it in favor of an alternative hypothesis. But it's not just about yes or no. A statistical inference also provides us with confidence intervals. These are like the boundaries within which we're reasonably sure our true population parameter lies. Let's say we measure the average income of a sample of citizens. The confidence interval tells us that we're 95% confident the true average income of the entire population falls within a certain range. Now, let's explore how statistical inference empowers the social and behavioral sciences. In psychology, it helps determine whether a new therapy is effective or if it's just a placebo effect. In sociology, it uncovers patterns of discrimination or social trends. In economics, it guides policy decisions based on the effects of different interventions. In summary, statistical inference is the cornerstone of our ability to understand and navigate the complexities of human behavior and society. It transforms data into knowledge, uncertainty into confidence, and questions into answers. So, the next time you read a social science study, remember the hidden hero, statistical inference, working behind the scenes to shed light on the mysteries of our world. Thank you for joining us on this illuminating journey into the heart of statistical inference in the social and behavioral sciences. We hope you're inspired to explore this fascinating subject further, and may your quest for knowledge continue to brighten the path ahead.